everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into documents in CRM. So let's get started. Simplify documents in CRM. Simplify and speed up your paperwork process with the help of Bitrix24. Create documents in a web version or in mobile version. Select a template and wait until the system automatically fills it out with CRM data. How to create a documentation. Open CRM item form and click on the text. Open any deal or lead. In top right corner, we have documents. In top right corner, select any template from the drop-down list or add a new one. So right now I am clicking on order acceptance. The PDF file preview is generated. It includes your company details and the information from the CRM item form. Like this, we can create your document within fraction of seconds. You can also download this PDF. You can also send this PDF to your customer. Ensure that the all data is correct. Click edit document to change if any necessary needed. So I added some information in this. If you already added, the data will automatically come. Here you can see all the data, all the information. If the file has multiple pages, switch between them using arrows at the bottom, like this. To view all documents created in a specific CRM item, click the document button and select document. Here you can find the creation date, name, and template of each document. View or delete them in this section if required. If you want to view, click on view and you can watch like this. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubt, please drop your queries in comment and we will see you in the next one. Thank you.